Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro. First, go to the Settings app, then scroll all the way down until you see System. Now, click on Reset Options. Then, go to Erase All Data Factory Reset. Then click on Erase All Data. Then you may be asked to enter your screen lock. Now click on Erase All Data. And then wait a moment, your phone will restart, and after that it will be restored to the factory settings. And now you can see it is restored to the factory settings and you can set it up. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.